Hey guys, today I'm excited to bring you a review of one of the most impactful products I've reviewed yet, at least for me as somebody who sits in front of a computer all day. This is the HBADA E3 Pro 2026 edition, and it's one of the most adjustable ergonomic office chairs you can get, and I'm a really big fan of it. If you regularly sit in a chair for more than just a few minutes a day, an ergonomic chair is a must-have, and that's where HBADA comes in. The E3 Pro 2026 edition is their 4th generation office chair that features a lot of nice upgrades designed to make it as supportive and comfortable as possible, including 3-zone active lumbar, a 4D dual access headrest, 720-degree omni-mechanical arms, cloud mesh materials, and a size that fits the vast majority of the population. On paper, it sounds really great, but what about in real life? Starting with getting it set up, it's pretty straightforward. Everything is packaged well and individually wrapped to keep it all safe. Getting everything out, this is all that's included. It comes with all the hardware you need too, and it does have a detailed instruction manual. A lot of it does come already assembled, but there are some parts that you do need to connect. You start by setting up the base, connecting its legs and installing the casters. Then you put in the gas cylinder. Then on the bottom, you mount the control lever on the side. Then you install the arms. And then the armrests. After that, you connect the back to the bottom piece. And then you place it all on the gas cylinder. And here you can see it really coming together. Then we have the headrest, which snaps onto the top of the back here. Then you screw it in to secure it. And that's it. And it looks really good. It has this little quick start guide too for adjustments, which is helpful. Now let's talk about that adjustability. Looking at its headrest first here, there is so much adjustment. It can go up and down. The angle of the back part can be changed, as well as the angle of the headrest itself. It really lets you fine-tune its placement, which is really nice and part of what allows it to be used with such a wide range of heights. You can also go forward and backwards. As for the middle lumbar support, you can adjust it up and down. You can adjust the side bolsters in and out, and it can also be adjusted more forward or backward, or it can just be dynamic and move with you. It's really nice. Then we have those 720-degree armrests. These can spin all around, giving you a lot of flexibility, and you can adjust the angle on top. The height can be adjusted, just all around, a lot of adjustment there. And there's this leg rest too that flips out and extends and is actually pretty comfortable with decent padding. You can just lay back and take a little break whenever you want, or you can just work with your feet up. Now, I've been using this chair for several weeks now, and I have to say I am very impressed. In the past, I've used just regular office chairs, and this is so much more comfortable and supportive all around. The pain in my back after long days is pretty much gone, which is really nice. And my butt doesn't fall asleep after sitting for long periods. It just works really well, and all the adjustments really make it easy to find the perfect position. And its cloud mesh material is supportive and comfortable with a good amount of give, but not too much. And anyone who's ever sat in a leather office chair knows it can get pretty hot with no airflow. There's no issue here though. It's very breathable and very comfortable to sit in. And they build these chairs to last too. They do very thorough testing for all aspects of the chair, and they back it by a 5-year warranty, which is pretty incredible to be honest. So the chair is pretty awesome, but how much does it cost? I'll post links in the description. Typically it's $709, but they have it on sale right now for $569 on their website and on Amazon. And I did get a promo code for their website too. So if you use promo code TechJeff, it drops it even more down to $540. And checking out its reviews on Amazon, it's currently rated a 4.3 out of 5 stars with over 1,200 reviews, which is really solid and good to see. So yeah, overall, I'm very happy with it. I sit in it for hours a day, and I can honestly say it's one of the nicest, most comfortable office chairs I've ever sat in. And the lumbar support and neck support are great, and it's just really nice. But let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you have any questions about this E3 Pro 2026 edition office chair from HBADA. And as always, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, hype the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.